Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the battery option. It should be on the 4th position. Now let's find the battery percentage option, which is right here, and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, actually immediately right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. It's quite useful. You do not have to guess how much percentage you've got. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your NOKIA T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.